In this video, I'm going to show you how to unzip a Blogger template and upload it on your blog. Remind you that this Blogger template is AdSense friendly and you can use it to get AdSense approval. So guys, in case you don't know how to download a Blogger template for your blog, all you need to do is to go on Google and type download SEO Blogger templates. So type this on Google and you will be shown a Blogger template that is suitable for your blog. So you can download any of them. You can go to the website and download any of them which are AdSense friendly. As you can see, these are SEO Blogger templates which you can use for your blog. So guys, you can download this and get it set. In case you've downloaded them, this is how to unzip a Blogger blog for your Blogger template. Then the next thing to do is to go to unzip ezyzip.com. Follow me /unzip fileonline.html. As you can see, this is the website for you to unzip your Blogger template. Don't miss this. This website is very reliable and you can do it within a minute and unzip your Blogger template. So I click on go submit. So we are on the website now, ezyzip. So the next thing you are going to do is to select the file to extract. So I go to my download, then I click on a theme, the theme I want to unzip. As you can see, this is the News Plus Blogger template.zip. So this is what I want to unzip. The next thing for you to do is to click on list all files. As you can see, I click on list all files. So these are the files in this Blogger template. So you go to the file that ends with XML. Follow me carefully. You go to the file that ends with XML. That is what you will unzip and upload to your Blogger blog. XML. So as you can see, we have the News Plus Blogger template, newsplusbloggertemplate.xml here. So you click on save. It will be downloaded into your device. This template will be downloaded into your device. You can see it's already downloaded, newsplusbloggertemplate.xml. So this is what you upload on your Blogger blog. So the next thing for you to do now is to go to your dashboard. Okay, let me show you that how to upload it on your Blogger dashboard. Let me show you that. I'm heading over to my blog right now to show you how to upload the Blogger. So you go to themes. The next thing to do is to click on the drop down menu. As you can see, click on the drop down menu. For you to upload the Blogger templates which end with XML which you downloaded, you have to head over to your blog and click on themes. So once you click on themes, you go to restore. You go to restore, then you click on upload. Hope you are following me. You click on upload, then I go to my files. Go to your files and click on the themes or templates you just downloaded. It's loading. It will bring the theme. As you can see, News Plus Blogger template. So this is how it will look. This is the way it will look. Assuming you are here to unzip it, this is how it will look. This is how it looks. SEO Rocket or News Plus, something like that. So this is how it looks. If I had to unzip it, it has maybe a dot line in two places down. But once you unzip it, it has this forward and backward arrow. So you click on it. The reason I'm not going to click on it here is that I don't want to change my template. So once you are done with that, you upload it on your blog. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel to see other upcoming videos which I'll be dropping on this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Let me know in the comment section if this video was helpful. Like this video and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.